Hello everyone, this is the demonstration of smart security project where using our own developed app we can detect any kind of suspicious activities and also any kind of emergency situation using CCTV cameras. So first of all, by clicking on this button we can start our application, and inside that application, first of all, in the first part we have to set up our cameras. In this case I don't have many IP cameras, that's why I am just taking some sample videos to demonstrate how it performs. So first of all, in the application, just choose the camera serial wise, that is serial number. First camera I have chose the number 1, and I have chose a video, that is human.mp4 for this detection purpose, and just click on the save button. By clicking on the save button you can see that in that particular time camera 1 setup pop up here also, and by this manner I just add more to videos, and the third one. In this manner you can set up to 4 videos or 4 IP camera streams. So first of all we will demonstrate this with the help of some videos, and after that we will slowly move towards how we can set up an actual IP CCTV camera in this software. So after this part we can just minimize that folder and just one by one create a secured zone. So what do you mean by a secure zone? So in an image, the secure zone means some place where we want to detect or we want to provide more focus by our system, just like this, just a look in this video. In this video you have seen a broad CCTV perspective, and in this view you can see lots of persons are going randomly in random directions. So suppose I have choose a particular area where if there any human present in that location, then our system should notify us by any communication system, by mail or by any messaging services. In this particular case we are looking forward how we can set up our own Telegram bot to get those updates. So before that we have to set up a secure place. Okay, so first of all just choose any of the camera we have previously added. Just for now I am choosing one, and click on the setup, and then you need to press S button to create an frame or to extract a particular frame from that video footage. So just suppose I am creating a boundary boxes here. This blue box will be our most secure place where we need any kind of, we don't need any kind of human, fire or smoke. So after choosing that part we just need to click on enter and Q to stop this stream. And as soon as you set up one camera feed, you can check whether your secure zone is properly set up or not by clicking on the preview button. And as you can see, where we draw the box is properly visible. Now one by one let's set up for all the 3 videos or all the 3 cameras. So just for now I am choosing this part as our secure zone and click enter, and after that click Q to close. In the same manner you can also check here it is a secure zone for this camera 2, and let's set up for camera 3, and camera 3 let's choose this part. Let's choose this part as camera 3 secure zone. So now you can randomly check any of the footages that the secure zones are properly placed or not. Okay, so after you finish this setup you have to set up that contact details of the persons who are the first contact person in case of any kind of emergency. So for the demonstration purpose, I have two credentials here. These are mainly Telegram account details. Okay, so just copy and paste, and for the next one also just copy and paste, and then click save. So as soon as you save, click on the save button, your details will save in the memory location. And by clicking on the notification test button, you can also check whether your contact details are successfully updated or not. Once these all steps are done, then each time we don't need to set up all this thing. Once we done that for the initial part, it is there in the memory unless and until you click on that reset button. Okay, so now let's see how the detection works. So just clicking on the start detection button and your detection should run smoothly. But here, as my system don't have any graphics card or any high-end specification, that's why it is running bit slow. So it may take some couple of seconds to pop up those displays one by one. So as you can see, the detection is working on each and every footages, and here you can see a person is detected in the red position. So as the normal workflow, your app will get a notification showing that there is some anomaly is detected. Okay, so we can see in the side mobile app. Here you can see in the real time we got some notifications that some detection are there. Here you can see in this footage the smoke and fire is also detected, and this footage also the smoke and fire is detected. Suppose if we want to disable any particular camera, we just need to click on that camera. Suppose I need to close this detection. We just need to click on that video footage and press Q. And as a result, now the detection is only working for two cameras. So this is the short demonstration how the overall system flow works. Now let's see how we can add actual IP CCTV cameras for our detection purposes. So first of all, we need to choose the fourth camera because it is free. As we can see, all the previous ones are reserved. So now first see what is our IP. So by clicking on this part, this IP, you can see this is actually streaming from our IP CCTV camera, and this stream is directly coming from our IP CCTV camera. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add this same link in our application. Okay, so just let me quickly copy it, and then let's close the VLC viewer and paste that link here. So this is the total overall IP link or the RTSP link, which is the main streaming address for our IP camera. So now let's quickly choose the fourth one and just click on save. As you can see, as soon as I click on the save button, here the cam 4 is also visible. Clicking on the cam 4 and click on the setup button, as you can see the video streaming is also coming up, and from this video stream we can choose our, as earlier mentioned, secured zone. So for that we just click on S, and after that we just choose a particular place. Let me click draw a square here. So this is our secure zone, and after that just click on enter and then Q to quit the stream. Now if we want to preview this thing, then we can also preview that using this. You can see here we draw that box earlier, and this is our secure zone. So now let me quickly put a agarbatti here to basically mimic the situation like the smoke. So I am grabbing this thing very close to the camera footage so that it can easily detect it. So once we click on the start button, now instead of 3 there should be 4 thing are there, and you can see here the smoke is detecting in the actual camera. So now it is detecting the secure part, but as the secure part is much more larger than that our secure zone, so it is not, I think, not sending the SMS. But it is, if it is a small one, then it will easily detect those and send the notifications. So that's it. That's a quick demonstration how our system works, and by clicking Q one by one for each frame, we can stop the streaming for each individual frames, or we can press this close button to close our overall application. And for the next time, we no need to set up this whole process. We just need to double click on this application, and this application will come up with all the defined settings. Okay, so as you can see, all the settings are present here, and by clicking on the start button we can directly start the streams. Let me give some seconds because it is a bit slow. So as you can see, it is no longer need to set up those things. It is automatically detecting those objects. So that's it.